Chapter 8. Does not wisdom call? And does not understanding put forth her voice? She stands in the top of high places, by the place where the paths meet. She cries in the gates, at the entrance of the city, at the doors. To you, O men, I call, and my voice is to the sons of men. O you simple ones, understand wisdom, and you fools, be of an understanding heart. Hear, for I will speak of excellent things, and the opening of my lips shall be right things. For my mouth shall speak truth, and wickedness is an abomination to my lips. All the words of my mouth are in righteousness. There is nothing twisted or perverse in them. They are all plain to him who understands, and right to those who find knowledge. Receive my instruction and not silver, and knowledge rather than choice gold. For wisdom is better than rubies, and all the things that may be desired are not to be compared to it. I, wisdom, dwell with prudence, and find out knowledge and discretion. The fear of the Lord is to hate evil. I hate pride and arrogance, and the evil way, and the perverse mouth. Counsel and sound wisdom are mine. I am understanding. I have strength. By me kings reign, and princes decree justice. Princes rule by me, and nobles, and all the judges of the earth. I love those who love me, and those who seek me early shall find me. Riches and honor are with me, yea, enduring riches and righteousness. My fruit is better than gold, yea, than fine gold, and what I give is better than choice silver. I lead in the way of righteousness, in the midst of the paths of justice, that I might cause those who love me to inherit substance, and I will fill their treasuries. The Lord possessed me in the beginning of his way, before his works of old. I was set up from everlasting, from the beginning, before the earth ever was. When there were no depths, I was brought forth. When there were no fountains abounding with water, before the mountains were settled, before the hills, I was brought forth. Before he made the earth, or the fields, or the highest part of the dust of the world, when he prepared the heavens, I was there. When he set a circle upon the face of the deep, when he established the clouds above, when he established the fountains of the deep, when he gave to the sea its limit, that the waters should not pass his command, when he appointed the foundations of the earth, even I was with him as a master workman, and I was daily his delight, rejoicing always before him, rejoicing in the habitable world, his earth, and my delight was with the sons of men. And now therefore hearken unto me, O you children, for blessed are those who keep my ways. Hear instruction, and be wise, and do not refuse it. Blessed is the man who hears me, watching daily at my gates, waiting at the posts of my doors. For whoever finds me finds life, and shall obtain favor from the Lord. But he who sins against me wrongs his own soul. All who hate me love death.